Hey guys, it's Sydney Wong here with VenturX, and I wanted to talk to you about how VenturX likes to qualify leads. So qualifying leads is very, very important when it comes to your sales funnel. So we qualify leads by actually identifying the difference between entrepreneurs and wantrepreneurs. So first, they have to be within our target market. We are only looking for certain kinds of companies that have a scalable return kind of business model, because those are the ones that our investors are looking for. And so we cannot accept certain people like local services, hairdressers, lawyers, those kinds of people. However, if you have, the next kind of Uber, we can definitely accept that because it's a scalable model. And so those are the different levels of qualification. And then if you do happen to have those kinds of businesses, then we ask further questions about what you have done. That determines if you are sales ready or just marketing qualified. So MQL versus SQL, these are terms used in CRMs, customer relationship management systems, such as Salesforce and other systems like that. I used to be a marketing automation specialist, which is how I know these things. And so the different kinds of sales qualified questions that we ask is, have you already received angel round or family and friends round? If you have, that does give you a better chance because you already have a pitch deck, you already have some money put into the business, you already have some interest put into the business, which is great. That is actually some requirements of certain investors, not necessarily ours, but other ones, because they want to feel that they're not the only one taking the risk. How much money have you actually put into it? So your financial risk also determines your level of interest, rather than just an idea versus have you actually hired people? Have you hired consultants, marketing agencies, developers, other agencies, contractors? Have you used any software tools, marketing tools, things like that? And have you put money into it? If so, how much? Are you working on it full time? These are the kinds of things that investors definitely want to know as they are getting into business with you. They want to know what kind of an entrepreneur are you, what you've done, and how you really stand out. Other questions would be, do you have a patent? Do you have intellectual property? Do you have something that's unique and defensible? Of course, that is much, much more specific. But first of all, we do want to know, how much money are you actually looking for? What will you be using it for? Have you already done your product market fit? If not, why not? What kind of things are you looking to do with certain opportunities and things like that? So the things that we look for to determine if you are ready for our platform is, what industry or type of business do you have? How much money have you put into it? Who have you hired so far? What kind of funding rounds have you already gotten? And what are you looking to achieve in your next funding goal with us? Is it going to be $500,000? Is it going to be more? Is it going to be less? And what are you looking to do with that kind of money? So when you have all of those answers ready, that's how we know that we are qualifying the startups correctly.